Hi, I'm Adrian Niculescu, and this video will speak about how to set up your first website. Um, you can do it by your own because we will use the WordPress platform. And of course, there are some elements where you will be able to use outsourcers or other people. Um, let's be very straight and to apply the KISS principle. Keep it simple, stupid simple. First, you need to find a domain name, and second, to have a web hosting account. There are two resources we recommend. One of them is a platform we use. It has data centers in United States and UK. The website is crystalmedia.ro. You will have it in your resource area. And here the shared hosting starts with $2.75 per month. And of course, up to a dedicated server, which starts from $125. But this is the next stage. And also, I would like to recommend HostGator. HostGator, let me see. This is the website. You will have also the link in the resource area. There is a file. What is very interesting with HostGator is that you can go to google.com and search for HostGator coupons. And you will see that if you use this coupon at the link we just sent you, you will have the first month for only one cent, which is okay. After you will start your after you will start the website, and there are two possibilities. One is that if you already have a domain name, you should transfer the domain name either to Crystal Media or to HostGator, or you can buy a domain name through one of these platforms. Which one will be more appealing to you? And we'll go inside of the control panel because I will show you, and this is also applied to Crystal Media. Anyway, the inside looks a little different. We'll install the WordPress platform on your domain. What is WordPress? Initially, WordPress was a blogging platform, but due to its development throughout the years, now it became more than a blogging platform, is a content management system. And WordPress is extremely good for internet marketing and for optimizations due to the fact that Google and all the other search engines, they love WordPress website. So if you want to start a website which will have great features for what we want to sell and to promote, and also to be very well optimized for Google, and also to receive good traffic from search engines, then WordPress is the best choice. And if you will go to HostGator, you will enter the control panel by the data you will receive from them by email. And here you will have to click on this icon. And here are the software tools which can be installed. We'll choose WordPress. Here there is one installation. You will put new installation. You will choose the domain. If you want to the blog to be installed on, let's say, yourdomain.com/WordPress, here you will put the name of the directory, But if you want that when you click the domain on the home page to be the blog, you should leave this empty. Here you will need to put the access, because when you will log in like that, you will type here the domain.com/w admin. So here you will put the data, you know. And here you will put the database configuration. Here in Crystal Media, when you go to contour panel, you will have to build the database separately by yourself. So anyway, which one will be more appealing to you? You will click install WordPress and you have WordPress. Then you will click domain.com/wadmin and um, you will be here inside of WordPress. What I recommend also to you is here are the themes. I've installed here, and also you have in the resource box a theme. It's called Optimize Press because you can change the themes, which is $97, but is an extremely valuable asset for your business. Of course, you can start with any theme. There are lots of free ones, but if you want to do something professional and to achieve success from day one, I highly recommend to have Optimized Press because it has built-in modules for sales pages, for squeeze pages. It's extremely well optimized by the search engines. You can make a membership site out of it. Imagine that you will build a website on dating and you will have a squeeze page to offer a free report to build a list, which can be, I don't know, 100 tips to get a woman in bed at the first date. You know, it's just the idea. And people will leave the name and the email address. Most of them will be men, I suppose, and will download your report. After that, on the website, you will have a squeeze page, which will be built using this tool. Secondly, you will have a sales page to sell the ebook, which can be, I don't know, 10,000 tips to get a woman in bed at the first date or something like that. And also, you can have a membership site. The guys who want to get laid at the first date, you know? Just an example. I don't want to be rude because also many women will buy this training. So maybe will be a membership for get a man in bed at the first date. You know, can be the other way around. Anyway, so I highly recommend to upload this theme and to use it, as it says, squeeze pages, sales pages, and everything else. So until here, everything is very simple. Also, Optimize Press has lots of tutorials for how to put payment buttons, and if you are just a little technical savvy, just a little, you should figure out by yourself how to do it. If not, just go to either to fiverr.com or elance.com or odesk.com, and you will find people willing to do this for you for pennies of dollars. Also, when you put your blog up, very important are the plugins. You know, the plugins are like tuning things for a regular car. It can improve the engine performance, I don't know, the speed, the light, the consumption, and basically using plugins, the blog will be tunes. I've included for you a very nice ebook called 100 the best 100 WordPress plugins to use for it. So I highly recommend, based on what you will want to do with your blog, to check that resource. It's a free ebook. It was included with this course. I highly recommend it to go through it and to see which plugins are good for you. So you will have by tomorrow or even today your site up and running. Very, very simple. Just to have to take care to what you can do if you don't want, for example, right now to put a sales page or a squeeze page, here to the post to go to start some articles to get a feeling about how is to have your first website. Or maybe if this is not your first website, to start adding content, because the articles will make Google and the other search engines to love more your blog. You know, a sales page or a squeeze page, they have very few content. You know, there are 2 pages, very few content, and this content will not make relevant your website in the eyes of search engines. So if you want also to have good traffic from the search engines, it's better also to um, add more content like articles, rich in keywords and everything else, you know? And this way will be very good for you because the blog will be very well indexed by the search engines. Thank you very much and have a great day.